Toyota, 5 Continents Driving Project. 2015, the North American Expedition. What will the roads of the world teach us? In 2014, we traveled across Australia. In 2015, we traveled across North America, including the cold terrains of Alaska and Canada. And in 2020, the year of the Olympics and Paralympics, we head to Tokyo to reach the goal of our journey. This time that we spend focused on cars becomes a priceless experience. High-performance features useful in the city become unhelpful in the wilderness. 40-minute stretches of steep inclines that cannot be found in Japan force us out of our comfort zone. We travel these roads to sharpen our inner sensors to make ever better cars. What is a car? In this age, when cars are taking a big evolutionary step forward, we need to know deep in our hearts what the essence of a car is. For no matter how much they evolve, certain things remain unchanged. In order to continue creating cars that will be loved, we continue to drive these roads. The roads shape us. We create the cars. Toyota, 5 Continents Driving Project. In 2016, the expedition continues to Latin America.